Hello student, this is my second video in French, and today in this video I'm going to tell you about vowels in French. That's called les, voiles and français. First of all, in English also many people pronounce this word vowel. It's absolutely wrong. The correct pronunciation is vowel. So let's begin with voile in français. Les voiles in français. So as in English, you all know there are 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. In French also there are 5 vowels, but their pronunciation is different. So in French, it's like A in English, A, E in English, O in French, I in English, E in French, and in English this is O, and in French it has two sound O and O, and it's U in English, and in French it's U. Now we'll have some examples. So now let's go through some examples. Ami, friend. Amok, love. Aake, stop. Avuka, advocate. Avril, April. So these are the words beginning with A sound, and in English it's A. Now, O. Ma, me, ta. You, la. The, tabla, table. So these are the French words beginning with O, having a sound in them. In English it's E, and in French it's O. Third vowel is, in English it's I, but in French E. Livre, book. Lit, bed. So T is not pronounced here, it's li, bed. This is gis, 10. Imazu, in English it's image, imazu, in French. Now a few examples in O. In French there are two sounds of O, O and O. Obey, it's verb. Sonne, ring, अंगूठी को सोने, it's vola, thief, vola, thief, O की sound. Stilo, pen, stilo, pen. Now in English it's you, but in French it's you, you. Jupe, skirt, bus, bus, tu. You, amuse, amuse. So today we did vowel in Francais, that's vowels in French, and wait for the third video. Thank you.